With the site collaboration workflow between Civil 3D 2019.1 and Revit 2019.1, you will now be able to coordinate efficiently and effectively as civil engineers and architects. We will start out in Civil 3D and look at a topography surface that we would like to publish to Revit with a data-based rather than a file-based process. Select the surface, go to Output, Publish Surfaces. From here, we will select the location where we will send the file within our BIM 360 Design file folder in the project folder. In Civil 3D, you can see that the publish operation has been successful. You will also be able to see the published data in Desktop Connector. In case you would like to review your data in BIM 360 Design, go to Services within your project and select Document Management, where you will be able to navigate to the uploaded data. From Revit, go to Insert, Link Topography, and browse through Desktop Connector to the data location within your project files location. As you select the link, you will see that the topography surface is brought into the Revit workspace. It is possible to spot dimension. It is also possible to add a building pad on the topography link. And create a topography schedule in Revit with name, projected area, and surface area. Also, this workflow supports subregions and hosting railings too. Subregions are good for changing the surface material in Revit. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy site collaboration as much as we do.